If you're a teenager right now and you don't become wealthy, it's not because you don't have enough money. It's because no one showed you how early investing actually works. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how a teenager can invest strategically and realistically to become a millionaire in their 20s, even if you're starting with very little money. Make sure you watch until the end because I put together a free guide that can help you take action immediately. Now, let me tell you something that no one tells teens. Time is way more powerful than talent, money, or luck. If you're 15, 16, 17, or 18, your biggest asset is compound interest. Someone who starts investing at 16 with small amounts can outperform someone who starts at 30 with way more money. Why? Because money with time grows exponentially. The earlier dollar always beats the later dollar. So before we even talk about stocks or investing apps, I want you to listen carefully. Your first investment is not the stock market. Your first investment is your ability to earn money. While you're still a teenager, your focus should be learning high income skills, understanding how money works, building income before worrying about getting rich. You just simply can't invest what you don't earn. Now, if you're under 18, you are gonna need a custodial investment account. You'll need this account with a parent or guardian. Your goal is to not gamble. Your goal is to own the market, invest in low-cost index funds, and stay consistent for years. Boring investing is powerful investing. To make this easy, I created a free teen investor starter guide. In this starter guide, it breaks down what accounts to open, what to invest in as a beginner, and how to get started step by step. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. Now, you want to make sure that you're investing every single month. This is where millionaires are made. Not by timing the market, not by chasing the hype, but by investing automatically every month, no matter what. Even if it's $25, $50, $100, the habit matters more than the amount that you decide to invest. When the market's up, you invest. When the market's down, you invest. Everyone panicking, you invest. This strategy is laid out clearly inside the Teen Investor Starter Guide, so you're not guessing or feeling overwhelmed. If you truly want to be a multi-millionaire in your 20s, here are some mistakes that you definitely want to avoid. You want to avoid trying to get rich fast. Avoid following social media gurus. Avoid spending money to look rich. Avoid pulling out your investment too early. Most people are not losing money investing. They lose money emotionally. Inside the free guide, I also list the top mistakes that teens and beginners make so you can avoid learning the hard way. Your teen years are for learning, building habits, and starting small. Your early 20s are for scaling income, investing bigger, and adding businesses or real estate. And by the time most people even think about investing, you'll already be 10 years ahead. And that's how millionaire math works. Now, here's some reality for you. This is not gonna happen overnight. It's not luck and it's not hype. It's discipline, consistency, and long-term thinking. And that's exactly why it works. If you're a teenager and you're watching this, you're already early. And if you're a parent watching this information can change your child's future. And don't forget to download the free Teen Investor Starter Guide. It's linked below and it walks you through exactly how to start step by step. Comment below your age and whether you started investing yet. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone young who needs to hear this now, not at 30, because the best time to invest was yesterday and the second best time is today. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss another video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.